If you're lucky enough to work with a Chinese herbalist who uses raw herbs, one of the things you're going to need on it. So although they're very decorative and very enjoyable to have around your house, I generally don't recommend cooking with it. So once we get our pot ready, we're going to get our formula, and that'll be pre-measured by the herbalist, and may have some specific directions on how to prepare it, what it put in first and last. But we're going to take our herbs, and we're going to place those into our pot. And once we get all these herbs in here, we're going to cover those herbs with about 1 inch of water, maybe a little bit more, it always depends. And we're going to bring it up to a rapid boil. Once we get it to a rapid boil, we reduce it to a simmer. We have our lid on our pot, and we'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After we do that, we're going to drain the liquids off and retain those herbs that we've just boiled, put the herbs back in there, add another inch of water on top of the herbs, bring it to a boil, reduce to a simmer for 20 more minutes, and we're going to combine those two liquids together. That's what we drink, about a cup 3 times a day, or as prescribed by your herbalist.